Dear students, Coal and Petroleum, Chapter 5. Today we will discuss natural gas. It is another significant fossil fuel and it is really convenient to send it through pipes. In our country, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and in Krishna Godavari Delta. Compressed natural gas. In short form, we call it as CNG. When natural gas is stored under high pressure, it is CNG. It causes less pollution and it can be used directly at homes and factories for burning and other purposes, as it can be easily transported through pipes. Its applications. It is used as fuel in automobiles. It is used as a starting material for manufacturing of many chemicals and fertilizers. Currently, there is a huge network of pipelines in Vadodara and in some areas of Delhi used for supplying CNG. It is used as a starting material for manufacturing chemicals and fertilizers. Petrochemicals. These are the chemicals obtained from petroleum and natural gas. For example, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, etc. They are important because they are used to manufacture large number of useful materials such as detergents, synthetic fibers, plastics, synthetic rubber, drugs, dyes, perfumes, fertilizers, insecticides, etc. Petrochemicals are of immense use in our industries. Then we have several different uses of petrochemicals, as hydrogen gas is also obtained as a petrochemical from natural gas and it is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. Petroleum is not only a source of fuels but it also provides raw material for manufacture of large number of useful substances. Due to its great commercial importance, it is also known as black gold. It is also known as black gold. Whenever we use petrochemicals, always remember it is obtained from petroleum and natural gas. Limitations of natural resources. Let us discuss. Fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, etc. needs millions of years to get transformed from dead bodies to fuels. But currently, their demands are so high that after a few hundred years, they will be no more. There will be a scarcity of these resources. And our future generations will not be having the benefits of coal and petroleum. So for all this, wise use, judicial use of fossil fuels is to be done. We have to conserve our fossil fuels. We should reduce its use and must be using them only in dire necessity. In addition, too much of air pollution is also caused when these fuels are burnt. And these fuels are also responsible for the problems associated with the global warming. Hence, it is very much important to use these fuels wisely. We should use more fuel efficient machines. We should encourage the use of renewable sources of energy like wind energy, solar energy, and hydro energy. We should use it judicially. So, how to save petrol and diesel? Some preventive measures to save fuels by Petroleum Conservation Research Association PCRA. Number 1. Drive vehicles at average and constant speed. Number 2. When not necessary, shut down the vehicle's engines. Number 3. Make sure pressure in tires is correct. Number 4. Always keep vehicles under good conditions. So, these are some of the points which we must consider to save petrol and diesel.